Hey guys, what is going on? I have a 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan and I ordered this stop start delete from AliExpress. It came in about I think a week or so. So I'm going to put this in. I'll show you how I installed it. It's a little easier than other videos I've seen, at least for my setup. So it comes with this harness that essentially will plug in to this button and kind of intercept the signal. And then there is a plastic pry tool, which is really helpful in order to get this trim piece off. So at least for this car with the buttons like this, I found out an easier way to access everything. I'm going to just pop this row of buttons up. So I'll get the pry tool. And you can see it will want to come out. Then I'll get my fingers and just pull it up. So that is pretty easy. And then there you can see the connector that we need to unplug. And there's not a lot of room right here. And this is a pinch connector. So I'm going to pinch it to release it. So here is the start stop button. And here is the button that we had to press. You can see right here where my pointer finger is where we had to push in to release the clip. So the issue I'm running into if I just take this part off and try to shove this wire in there is that there's not a lot of room to put this pigtail and harness and then fit these buttons back in because it goes kind of deep. So I pulled off this shifter boot and it's pretty much as simple as it looks. There's just little clips and then I just pulled it off physically. So I'm going to try to fit this in and route the wires a little more clean so they're out of the way. Make sure they're not interfering with any shifter movement because that you don't want to not be able to shift. And then I'm going to make sure they're tucked in off to the side. Here's how it looks now. I was able to tuck all that wire off to the side in here and I got a little better access. And as you can see, this was off by default. So you can see it is deactivated. So it still works. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on. To just pop in literally. Look at that, nice and easy. So right now the car is off. If we turn the car on, let's see what happens. So you can see it is automatically deactivated every time you start the car.